I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by assembling ingredients and prepping everything in order. Use 1 pound boneless chicken thighs, 8 ounces sliced cremini mushrooms, 2 carrots, and 1 onion. Trim and pat the chicken dry, then cut it into 1-inch pieces. Season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a 4-quart pot over medium heat to brown chicken pieces. Slice mushrooms 1/4-inch thick and peel, and dice carrots and onion. Prepare 4 cups low-sodium chicken broth and reserve 1 cup for deglazing and thinning later. Start the cooking phase by adding chicken to the hot oil and brown for 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden. Remove chicken briefly, then stir in mushrooms and onions and cook 6 minutes until softened. Add 2 cloves minced garlic and cook 1 minute. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour evenly and cook 2 minutes to remove the raw taste. Pour in 4 cups low-sodium chicken broth and 1/2 cup dry white wine. Return chicken. Then simmer gently for 20 minutes until the chicken reaches 165 degrees F and flavors meld. Finish the soup by reducing heat and stirring in 1/2 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce to balance salt. Do this off heat to prevent curdling. Taste and adjust seasoning with up to 1/4 teaspoon more salt or 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Add a squeeze of lemon if you want brightness. Serve hot with crusty bread and garnish with extra parsley. Cool soup within 2 hours. Refrigerate up to 3 days or freeze for up to 3 months in airtight containers. Reheat gently to 165 degrees F.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.